You don't need a website. I said what I said. Unless you're Amazon.com or Walmart or an e-com giant that actually has physical products to sell, get rid of your website. This isn't clickbait. This is not a joke. A few years ago, I had a great conversation with Taylor Welch. He is a sales and marketing genius. And on that call, I asked him about my website. Taylor, teach me how to make a killer website. He laughed at me, literally out loud. Bro, you don't need a website. Okay, Taylor, then what do I need? He said, you need a funnel. To be honest, that conversation kept me up at nights, but he was 1000% correct. You've probably seen awards like this before. Each one of those represents a verified $1 million generated online for selling products or services. And none of them have anything to do with a website. These clients didn't even have websites. I built them a funnel. And more to the point, for this video, I built them what's called a funnel hub. I'm gonna teach you all about funnel hubs and how they can help you and your business generate money while you sleep. Like for real, for real. You'll wake up and you'll have orders in your email from the night before. Stick around, I got you. Whoa, we don't have time for a fancy intro today. The main reason you don't want a website is because you have way too many distractions. You'll have a navigation menu up top. You're gonna try to get people to opt into your newsletter up here. You're gonna try to sell them this product here, this product here. The problem is you have multiple CTAs or calls to action, so people get confused. What you really need is an octopus. Hey, that's my prop. What you really need is this octopus. Okay, my daughter is an amazing digital artist. You should check her channel out, subscribe to it, that'd be super cool. For demonstration purposes, I've asked her to draw the octopus. She did an amazing job. She even gave me a version without the background so I can actually write on this thing. So think of every single one of these tentacles as its own funnel. The overall goal of this is to show you what a hub does. Well, let's say this tentacle right here is a funnel for a free ebook. So somebody comes into the opt-in page, they opt in for the ebook, they go to the thank you page, then where do they go? They go into an email sequence. Spoiler alert, at the end here, you have a high ticket product. So let's say this funnel here is another lead magnet. Maybe this one you're giving away a PDF. Top 5 ways to increase your running speed in your 40s. Something that's a good hook that will intrigue your target audience. They opt in, thank you page, and then you can have upsells, but also you take them through an email sequence, ultimately getting into that high ticket. Let's say this tentacle is a low ticket offer for $7, like my small business sprint strategy. Let's say this one here is a $97 offer, maybe a mini course. Let's say this one here is a mid-ticket offer, $497. You get the point, right? You have all of these different funnels that's leading traffic into your main goal, which is to get them closer to you and speed up the process for whatever goal they have. Let's say you're a chef and you love to cook. A great lead magnet for you might be a PDF, top 5 recipes that you've never heard of. Maybe an ebook is my favorite desserts in detail. Maybe the $97 product is a mini course actually showing you how to make the recipes. It's videos. Then maybe your high ticket is a 2-day in-person event where you're gonna cook in front of your students, your members, and you're gonna teach them how to do things quicker, better, in a format where they can actually ask you, their mentor, questions. Remember, people will pay for speed and proximity to a mentor that will help them, again, speed up the process. You might be asking, Evan, do you have a funnel hub? Why, yes, I do. I'm about to show you my funnel hub. Don't buy anything on my funnel hub. As you can see, this is not rocket science. You want a strong headline, sub-headline. You're taking them from the top, which is basically awareness. People that might not know you, so they're not willing to shell out tens of thousands of dollars right off the bat, right? Maybe they saw a post from you on social media and they're like, that resonates with me, let me check this person out. So then they go to this hub and it is a choose your own adventure. That's how this works. And at the top is the least expensive thing. As they go further down this funnel, through your octopus tentacles, they're gonna eventually land at the head, which is your high ticket offer. You're gonna notice I have free training. I have 3 different lead magnets, and I have those tentacles out on different social media platforms and paid ads pulling people in for that specific offer, which is a free lead magnet. Then you have a $7 training. Here's that small business sprint strategy. Then as you scroll down, you have a little bit higher ticket items. My promo profits, this is how I've generated millions of dollars, sometimes in a weekend for some of my clients. And as you know, with Subject Matter Expert Academy, I teach my students how to get revenue share off of those deals. The Illuminator strategy, this is my prospecting strategy. You keep going down, faceless income. This is one that I'm putting together now. I haven't shared this funnel hub with anybody until this video here because I'm still tweaking some of the courses, but this right here is a powerhouse program for anybody that doesn't want to be on camera. You've seen those faceless channels where you can monetize those channels, you can generate revenue, you can sell other affiliate products and services. It's pretty cool. As you keep going, you're going to see my high ticket subject matter expert academy. So now let me take you back up and let's just click on some of these things. So Stealth Wealth, free ebook. You click on it, where does it take you? To a simple opt-in page. Give me your email, I'll give you a free copy. This second lead magnet's great, and honestly, this is free. You should take advantage of this. Just go to onedaystartswithday1.com and you'll hit this page. Go to the Sprinter method. This is a webinar funnel, okay? I'm teaching you my prospecting method right here on this funnel, and I give you some cool bonuses. It's a neat tentacle / funnel, I'm not gonna lie. I have my Back to the Future theme 2027 online business almanac you can get for free, and then this is a great training that I've recently put together. It's $7. The no-brainer offer small businesses actually say yes to. Then you've got a quick video here. You click this and it's going to send you down the page where you can actually buy it. If you buy this for $7, I take you to a thank you page, but the strategy is there's a video on that thank you page and an upsell opportunity. For $47, I actually teach whoever buys this how to build a funnel just like this. Boom. I'm about to give you a pro tip that you didn't ask for, but you're going to love it. Let's say somebody likes one of your lead magnets. They come in, typically what people will do is they'll send them through an email sequence like we talked about. Well, what if that same person sees another lead magnet that they like? What if they also buy a $7 product? And each one of these tentacles or funnels has its own email sequence. Okay, this is a problem. Do not do this. Instead, when somebody gets this lead magnet, you are going to tag them with the name of that lead magnet. Let's say that same person later on that day sees another really cool video that you did where you're pushing another lead magnet, no problem. You're gonna tag them. I have 3 lead magnets. What if that same person the next day grabs this lead magnet? I'm gonna tag them as well. No matter who opts in or buys what from you, you are going to send all of them into the same long email sequence. With these tags, you will never actually pitch them the same thing twice.